Here's how to create waitlists on the program and class level, as well as how to add an external waitlist link. Click on the Classes menu item in the left sidebar. Once there, select the Enrollment Period. Select the program next. To add a waitlist to a program, click the Add Waitlist button at the top of the page. If you would like to set a capacity for your waitlist, you can, but it's not required. Click the Submit button to finalize. To create a waitlist on a class, select the program on the left. Click on the class or select the down arrow to the far right. Press the Add Waitlist button. Please note that program waitlists are only available for simple model enrollment programs. Enter the desired capacity or leave blank to have open capacity. Click Submit. For a multi-list program, select the program. Click the class to open it. Click on the Add Waitlist button to add a waitlist to that class. Enter the optional capacity and click Submit. To add a waitlist to a series class, select the program. Click the class to open it. Select the Bulk Add Waitlist button. This will add a waitlist to every current date. Add the optional capacity and click Submit. You can view the waitlist at the bottom of the class for that date. To add a waitlist to a days per week program, select the program. Select a day from the list of days. Click on the Add Waitlist button to add a waitlist to that day. Enter the optional capacity and click the Submit button. Do the same for each day you want to add a waitlist to. If you would rather use your own external waitlist, in lieu of the internal waitlist feature, click on My Company. In the sidebar, select Enroll Form. Click on the arrow next to Custom Waitlist Message. In the pop-up, click on the Add New button. Enter the internal name for the waitlist message. Type or copy and paste the content of the waitlist message in the provided text area. Here you can add the external waitlist link. Click the Add button to save the waitlist message. In the pop-up, click OK to confirm. To turn on the external waitlist, click the drop-down arrow next to the custom waitlist message. Check the waitlist you want to turn on company-wide. Click the Save Settings button. Here you can see how an external waitlist message will look on the enroll form. Customers would click the Here link to join the waitlist.